Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings. My name is Estian Dwi Priyoko from Fakultas Teknik Universitas Langlang Buana, Bandung. In this Paris Van Java International Seminar, I would like to present you about wireless scoreboard technology architecture for athlete performance data warehouse at multiple table sports game. Introduction. Scoreboard is used in sport as a display of the result of the tournament, so everyone who is in the arena can see the result of the tournament score. Scoreboard generally display the value, the time, and the number of rounds during the tournament. Research problem. Scoreboard only show game result in one table at the time. There are no real-time ongoing result. There are multiple games in one time. Courier has to send game result to the game committee every time one game is over. There are distance from the game table to the committee table. Game results always being archived, but game results not being used to analyze the athlete performance. The objective of this research is to make an easier way to record the score of the tournament with the multiple tables and to record performance statistics from the athletes. The hypotheses are fewer turns and the greater the value made per turn are the higher the athlete performance. The benefit of this research are to make an easier way to record values because they are connected to a wireless network and display them in a real time, and to get an athlete performance statistic during the competition, because every value of an athlete makes in each turn is an indicator of the athlete performance. Expected output and goals from this activity is to make the wireless scoreboard application. This application is used to help record activities and display scores in sports tournament with many tables. It also displays the game player statistic to measure the performance. Wireless scoreboard. Scoreboard generally display the value of the tournament, display the time of the tournament and the number of rounds during the tournament. With this application, the coach can find out the athlete performance during the tournament. Data entered by the referee using tablet passed down on the wireless network to the router and stored in data warehouse server. Computer networks that use wireless data connection between points are called wireless networks. Web technology is used as an intermediary for a database and mobile interface, and viewers on television and internet browsers. Data warehousing. Data warehousing is needed to gain athlete performance. With data warehousing, coach can analyze and know the performance statistic of his athletes, so that the coach can figure out how to train the athlete as well as strategies for the next tournament. Data warehouse is a concept on combination of technologies that facilitate organization to manage and maintain historical data obtained by the system on operation application. Data warehouse can guarantee access mechanism to give the one door for management to obtain information and analyze it for decision making. Enterprise architecture. Enterprise architecture is one standard approach to the company technical system. Technology architecture is a part of enterprise architecture that shows the architecture of the hardware, the networks, and the platform that offered by the services. Technology architecture shows the technology architecture diagram, the user function catalog, and technology user matrix. Research method. Research philosophy used in this research are positivism. Research approach used in this research are deductive. Research strategies used in this research is an experiment. Research philosophy used in this research are positivism. And research time horizon used in this research are cross-sectional. Data collection. Data collection methods for the application development is to search the references in various literature such as journal, book, information from the internet related to the program. In addition, by conducting surveys and interviews with the partners and clients. This is a wireless scoreboard technology architecture diagram. As we can see here, referees with the tablet sends the score to the home network, to the router, and the router will pass down to the server and the committee's laptop, and they can directly source them to the internet and television. And this is a user function data catalog. As we can see here, the user are a referee, the referee assistant, and tournament manager, and the administrator itself. This is the matrices between the technology and the user. As we can see here, referee and referee assistant use the referee tablet. Tournament manager will use the manager laptop, and administrator can use all the devices: the router, the server, the referee's table, the manager laptop, and the score monitor. As we can see here, the referee assistant function can be eliminated. The conclusion. It can be concluded that this application makes an easy way to record the value of tournaments with many tables that were far apart, because it is connected to a wireless network and displays it in real time. This application is used to record the athlete performance statistic, because every value made by the athletes in each series is an indicator of the athlete performance. The fewer series and the greater value made each series are the higher the athlete's performance. Wireless scoreboard technology architecture shows the application can eliminate the referee's assistant courier function. Also, the application gives the new feature to the scoreboard, that is automatic scoreboard counter and the athlete performance data input. This is the reference that I used to write the articles, and this is the end of the presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.